Hey guys, Victoria Lowey here again. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I am showing off these cute Easter themed decorations I made out of everything I found at my local Dollar Tree. These turned out just as cute as I had hoped, plus they only cost $10 a piece to make. That's right, $10! Dollars. Supplies! While gathering all my supplies for this project, I probably did 3 or 4 different trips to the Dollar Tree, and I just kept setting all my supplies to the side for this very moment when it would all come together for some Easter magic. Let's go over everything I picked up. I found these cute bunny decorations already on their sticks. I got a pink set and a blue bow set. I found a variety of carrot decor. I believe these 2 flowers are left over from a Valentine's Day craft I did. You gotta use what you got, people. The Dollar Tree had a 3 set of these cute little chick-themed Easter eggs. And then I made sure I picked up a variety of other sizes of Easter eggs. The key part is I didn't want all of them to be the same size. It's the different sizes and shapes and textures that's gonna really bring this bouquet together. And for my items that did not already come on sticks, I picked up some skewers. And you remember these, don't you? Left over from one of my Valentine's Day wreaths. Finally found a purpose for them. Here we go. I picked up some Easter grass for filler. I picked up 2 of these very cute bright green flower pots. I saw this cute orange ribbon to decorate them with. I then grabbed 2 squares of this floral foam so I could start stabbing all my decorations into it. This is how I do it. All right, and first things first here, I grabbed the floral foam blocks and cut them down so that they would fit flush in the bottom of my flower pots. Get a decent amount of hot glue in the bottom of your flower pot. And shove your foam block down there. Now I'm just getting my ribbon in place to decorate the outside of my flower pot. I measured how long of a piece I was going to need and then cut it just so that's not something I had to worry about while the hot glue was on the flower pot, burning my fingers. It only takes a small dot of hot glue to get your ribbon started. And a dot of glue at the end to hold your ribbon line in place. Glad I cut them first. I got the ribbons close enough for my needs. And just like that, we've got 2 cute Easter pots. All right, and on to my flowerless stems I have here. I used these for a Valentine's Day project where I cut all the roses off to use them for a wreath. And I just couldn't let these stems go because I knew I could find a great purpose to use them for later. And here it is, me trying to figure out how to attach these Easter eggs to my rose stems. First, I need to make a hole in the bottom of this Easter egg. I tried several sharp tools. Find whatever little sharp tool nearest you and jab it in the bottom of that Easter egg and swish it all around till you've got a tiny hole to stick your stem through. And now I am just taking my stem and putting it through the hole I made in the bottom of the Easter egg. And I just pop the egg open and put a little hot glue on the inside of it. Pop the top back on, and we're good to go. Each bunch got one egg. Now I'm going to grab those large carrot decor pieces, and all I'm going to do for these is put some hot glue on the tip of it and go ahead and shove my stem right into the foam, which is in the center of each of these carrots. For my larger Easter eggs, I stuck one of my wooden skewers through the holes already in the bottom of them and just spun it around with a little bit of hot glue at the base. All right, it is officially arrangement time. Ladies and gentlemen, grab your flower pots and meet me at the starting line. Let's get ready to rumble! There is no right or wrong way to arrange these. There is no rhyme or reason to the pattern in which I'm doing it. I'm shoving things into that foam when and where my heart tells me to. Let your heart lead the way through your crafts. These are really going to bring some Easter spirit to my nurse's station. To finish off my craft, I filled in the base of the planter with some Easter colored paper grass. Apparently I didn't record any of this, but you guys know how to do that. I still can't wrap my mind around the fact that each one of these only cost me $10 to make. And there we have it, folks. My simple Easter arrangement craft. Please like, share, leave me comments. I love to hear from you guys. And have a great Easter!